Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I just finished a 10 hours drawing challenge and I've drawn all anime characters by instant request with the theme of shopping fights. So let's watch this one together guys, let's go.
Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging me, go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels
Okay guys, that's a drawing. Hopefully you like it. What do you think about it? If you have any kind of advices, please feel free to leave in the comment section below. And I will do this kind of drawings often, so be sure to subscribe if you are new to this channel, and hopefully you guys enjoy the drawings. So thank you very much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel, please do subscribe. Also, please do not forget to like the video. Thank you so much and see you guys next one.